What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed Wistia videos into our WordPress website for free. I'm gonna explain for you two methods, one coding and one without coding, for every single one to be able to embed those video marketing platform for business videos into your site, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is locate the video where you would like to embed. In my case, it's gonna be this one right here. Okay, so let me click on this video, open it. We can preview. Here is the video that I would like to embed. It's just a text video, but I can edit and everything. I'm using the Wistia free account, okay, so you can upload your videos into the free account as well. So we're gonna click into this little share button right here, and we have the option to share with link and publish on social, okay? But if you go back to the account page and click into these three little dots right here, you're gonna be able to see an option called Embed. We're gonna click on it, and right here we have inline, proper, and email campaign. I have these three options, okay? I would prefer the inline one. Can be responsive or fixed size, and we have some advanced settings, standard or fallback. And we can copy the code or show the code, okay? Here is the code. I'm gonna copy the code. Now I'm gonna move to my WordPress website. In my case, I would like to apply this into one of my posts, so I'm gonna go from the left side bar of menus, hover my mouse over posts, select one of the posts that I would like to embed, find the location on the post where I would like to embed this video. In my case, it's gonna be between those two paragraphs. I'm gonna click into this little plus button, and into this to add block, I'm gonna search for a block called HTML. Click on it. Now I'm gonna place the code, the script, and as you can see, here is my video already embedded, okay? Simple, easy, effective, and works great for free. But if you don't like the solution, we have another option for you, okay? But if you like, remember to publish the post or to update the post in order to save your changes, okay? Let me delete this solution and go back for other option. Now, still on my WordPress website, I'm gonna review the left side bar of menus and hover my mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of my screen, next to the keyword, I'm gonna click on it into search for plugins and type embed. Just like this. Scroll it down until you can see this guy right here, Embed Press. Embed PDF, YouTube, Google Docs, Vimeo, Wistia videos, audios, maps, and any documents in Gutenberg and Elementor. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This plugin gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Nothing much to do right here, but if you review next to appearance, you're gonna be able to see from the left side bar menus a new item called Embed Press. Right here you can see how many sources you can embed content from, okay? It's a very good solution. And you have options to filter, we have Elementors, brandings, or general to set some general settings, okay? So with that installed, go to the post where you would like to embed this video. Can be a post, a widget, a page, any section of your site. In my case, it's gonna be into one of my posts. So from the left side bar menus, posts, select the post. Let me delete this part. Let me delete this column as well. Now I'm gonna click into this plus button to add block and search for Embed Press right here, okay? Here is the guy. And now all I have to do is enter to the video link. How to get the video link? Still on Wistia. I'm gonna click to these 3 little dots, share, and copy link. Link is copied. Now go to our WordPress, enter the link, click on embed, and here is your videos. Now we have some options. If you review the right sidebar of menus on our WordPress dashboard, we can change the video widget and the video height in the case that we want. We can apply the video controls for autoplay, a color scheme, full screen button, small play button, play bar, and the volume. We can customize every single part. As you can see, we can enter custom branding if you're a pro user, and you can even apply a social media sharing buttons to the video in order to let people share this video from your site to other social media. We can change the title to be into social media preview, description, position of the sharing buttons, for example into the bottom, and the thumbnail, and even the advanced block to enter a custom CSS name or a block name. After change made, don't forget to save the change or update the page, and you are good to go. Your video can be embedded. Remember that you can create a column layout and embed this into any section or any size of your site that you want, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com and our borderless plugin on wordpress.org to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. And of course, you can connecting with a growing blogging community. Or Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can promote your site, your page, your landing page, your game designs, your apps, everything that you want to be awarded and connect with a growing designers community. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blogs, assets, plugins, themes, elements, widgets, and many more things, including our support to create the site of your dreams. And before we can go, don't forget to check out, if you are using the Embed Press option, into the sources, video, all the options that you can have, and right here into Wistia, you can click into this gear icon and change some presets, okay? For example, start time, full screen, play bar, small play button, volume, autoplay, the color, which is really nice option by the way, the plugin, resume, and some other nice options, okay? After this, click on save change to save all the changes. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the